Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Brandwatch for LinkedIn reputation monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Brandwatch account. Navigate to the integrations section in the left-hand menu. Once there, locate the LinkedIn integration option. Click on the LinkedIn integration to proceed. You will see an option to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and sign in. After signing in, you will be asked to authorize Brandwatch to access your LinkedIn data. Review the permissions requested by Brandwatch. If you agree, click the Allow button to proceed. Once authorized, the integration window will display a confirmation message. Return to your Brandwatch dashboard to see the LinkedIn integration is now active. Next, configure the settings for your LinkedIn monitoring. Select the specific metrics and data points you want to track. Adjust any filters or parameters to refine your data collection. Once your settings are configured, save the changes. You can now start monitoring your LinkedIn reputation using Brandwatch. Review the data insights provided to understand your brand's presence on LinkedIn. Make adjustments to your strategy based on these insights over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.